I am regularly asked about Fleming's left-hand rule, so I figured let's make a video, see if I can make it a bit easier. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get 5 marks on a question about Fleming's left-hand rule. I'm going to walk you through the perfect student-based solution so that you can get those marks when faced with this question. Sound good? The teacher demonstrated how a magnetic field can cause a copper rod to accelerate. The teacher placed the copper rod on 2 brass rails in the magnetic field, and the copper rod was free to move. When the teacher flipped the switch, the copper rod accelerates. Explain how Fleming's left-hand rule can be used to predict the direction in which the rod will move. Start off your answer by saying something about how the first finger and the second finger of the left hand are at right angles, with the thumb pointing upwards. Since F is the first letter of first, we know that the first finger points in the direction of the magnetic field, i.e. from north to south. So add something like this to your answer. First finger is magnetic field and so points downwards. The letter C in second tells us that the second finger points in the direction of the electrical current. This is always from positive to negative, as shown in the diagram here, and you can therefore see that the current appears to travel along the copper rod from the back of the diagram towards the front. So add something to your answer along the lines of second finger equals current, which is positive to negative and so is out of the page. It's around about now that you should begin to realise that your hand is pointing in directions that you didn't think you could normally make it go. Good luck with that. After a while, you will settle hopefully with your thumb pointing off to the right. And this is the direction of the force on the wire, so add something like this to your answer. The thumb represents the force or thrust and should point off to the right. It's time to review our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, look, only 4 points, so we need a 5th one really. How about a closing statement like, and so the copper wire moves to the right.